Solana is not exactly a new cryptocurrency, but it has only gained traction and widespread popularity in the last few months. Its astronomical rise upwards has attracted the attention of many investors, helping them discover the project's high usability and incredible functionality. With so many people jumping in on the Solana Foundation hype, many of them are left wondering whether the coin is a good long-term investment, or if they should dump whatever coins they have bought before it plunges any deeper. However, Solana is a really interesting project, and we'd like to examine the potential it may have in the near future. In this video, we will discuss Solana Price Prediction 2023. But before that, welcome back to your own channel, Crypto World, where you'll get all the crypto knowledge. And yes, do remember that this video is not financial advice, so do your own research before investing anywhere. So without any further delay, let's get started. Solana, Sol, a miracle of crypto science. Solana Labs was developed in 2017 by Greg Fitzgerald and Anatoly Yakovenko. Solana ecosystem is considered an effective, fast, secure, censorship-resistant blockchain with low cost that provides the open infrastructure required for global adoption. It is one of the first platforms to use a combination of delegated proof of stake and proof of history consensus. It does not have any transaction fees also. Hence, the validator's main mission is decentralizing the Solana network by providing computing resources to validate transactions or storage for ledger redundancy. Solana Foundation has various projects ranging from NFT, Web3, DeFi, decentralized finance, and many others. It has even launched its own online store, Solana Pay, which will be the future of payments. Now, let's see. Solana Technical Analysis. Going by the Solana price history and technical analysis, the currency has garnered a top position in the cryptocurrency market based on market cap rankings. The current price of Solana stands at around $34.16 with a circulation supply of 355,222,018 SOL. The 24-hour trading volume of this crypto is around $688,482,861. After SOL fell to $170 by the end of December 2021, it went down to a value above $26 due to a significant bearish phase. The year 2022 has not been very favorable for SOL, but the same is applicable to most cryptos. Experts are calling it a bear phase. Solana's price tried to recover in April but failed and has been trading in a significant downtrend since then. Since the last few months, SOL has been trading in a strong consolidation between $28 to $45. Based on the information on the current price action of the Solana token and technical analysis, we conclude that the digital asset may not be suitable for short-term investment. However, in the long run, the technical indicators suggest that it may be a profitable choice. Now finally, what you were waiting for. Solana, Sol Price Prediction 2023. The crypto market is known to be highly volatile. Predicting prices is a difficult task and cannot be done with exact precision. All predictions should not be taken as financial advice, and you should do your own research. Consult your financial advisor before making any investments. Solana, Sol Price Prediction January 2023. Our advanced price prediction algorithm has determined that Solana may end the month of January 2023 at a maximum price of $24.53 with a minimum price of $21.38. The average price that SOL may see in January could be around $23.84. Solana Sol Price Prediction February 2023. The Solana market forecast for February 2023 expects that the cryptocurrency may reach a maximum price of $25.62 with a minimum expected price of around $23.43. The average price that is predicted for February is $24.39. Solana Sol Price Prediction March 2023. Solana is expected to reach a maximum price of $26.99 in March 2023, and it's possible to see it dip to $23.98 as the month ends. Furthermore, the average price of Solana in March is $25.21, as bulls and bears continue to struggle for dominance. Solana Sol Price Prediction April 2023. Attention surrounding Solana is expected to surge in the long term, but as April 2023 begins, the maximum price of SOL could near $28.36. The forecasted low is around $24.80, while the average price for Solana could be $25.76. Solana Sol Price Prediction May 2023. For the month of May 2023, our Solana forecasts a maximum price of $29.87, followed by an average price of $26.31. The minimum price expected for May is around $25.35. Solana Sol Price Prediction June 2023. In June, the maximum price for Solana could reach $31.24, while speculation and adoption of cryptocurrency continues. Furthermore, the average price of SOL in June 2023 is $27.27 with a minimum price of $25.90. Solana Sol Price Prediction July 2023. Investors may be happy to know that the price action of Solana may continue to follow a similar trend in July 2023, as the maximum price nears $32.75. Retrospectively, the minimum price could fall as low as $26.99 while averaging $28.36 as the month comes to an end. Solana Sol Price Prediction August 2023. An in-depth analysis of the Solana price trajectory predicts that a maximum price of Solana in August 2023 could see $34.26, while the minimum price might fall as low as $28.09. Meanwhile, SOL may sit at an average price level of $29.32 as the end of the month nears. Solana Sol Price Prediction September 2023. With Solana prices rallying and being dominated by bulls in the long term, investors can expect SOL to reach a maximum price of $35.63 in September 2023, averaging $30.28 for the month. If a bull run failed to sustain, the price of SOL is forecasted to reach a low of $28.64. Solana Sol Price Prediction October 2023. Solana's price is expected to reach a maximum price of $36.86 in October 2023, while the minimum expected price is around $29.19. The average price of Solana for the month is around $31.24. Solana Sol Price Prediction November 2023. Understanding that the crypto market is highly volatile, big changes may happen this month. The maximum price expected for Solana is $37.68 in November 2023, followed by a minimum price of $29.73. The average price predicted comes in at $32.34. Solana Sol Price Prediction December 2023. As the year ends, Solana is expected to reach a new all-time high of $38.37, followed by a minimum price of $30.14 in December 2023. The average price of SOL may be around $34.26, providing it receives the support it needs. Solana Price Prediction 2023 FAQ. What is the Solana Sol price today? Today, Solana Sol is trading at $13.70 with a total market capitalization of $4,978,745,729. What will Solana be worth in 2023? The SOL price is expected to reach a maximum price of $38.37 in 2023. Is Solana Sol a good investment in 2023? Based on the direction SOL is heading, technical analysis suggests that this cryptocurrency is a good investment for 2023. So this was all for today's video. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video tomorrow. Until then, peace out.